Hi everyone, I'm Romel Abella, and by profession I'm a public school teacher, and I've been teaching for 18 years and I'm still loving it. I'm handling grade 9 level students and I'm teaching the American literature. As a teacher, I would describe myself as a very fun-loving, very humorous, very musical, and also a very strict one. I'm very strict in terms of attendance and uniform. And with regards to strategies, I always make sure that in my classes, I always have fun, which includes jokes. I always have music and even acting. So these are the three, parts of the strategies I use to make my classes very entertaining and very inviting to all my students.
Good morning, passengers. This is the pre-boarding announcement for Flight 55B to Philippines. We are now inviting these passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance. To begin boarding at this time, please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin.
As far as I could remember, I think I started hosting way back 2004 or 2005, and I was doing events for my friends, and I was not even being paid for it until it became like word by mouth, and I've been referred to some coordinators and some direct clients who have seen me hosting, and from then on, until this time, I'm enjoying it. And I do host in weddings, birthdays, even debut parties. I also host in corporate events and even funeral. Hi, you want Bisaya or English?
Both.
Ay! Ganun siya barko? What? Ay, barko din ay. Maritime. With that viral video, actually, I knew that there would be some poppers, but I thought that the poppers would have their moment during the first dance. But the assistant coordinator forgot to have it, so they had it on the money dance, and unknowingly they were on my side, and that's how it happened. It popped, and of course, I got shocked. My soul left my body for a while, so that's how it happened. Actually, I never really expected that the video would go viral. My main purpose of uploading it was actually to share it to my friends, and I never thought that it would be that big hit to other people. Anyway, I would like also to thank everybody who watched my videos, and of course to those who still continue sharing my videos. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Pasalamat siya ko nga. In my most little way, nakahatag ko kalipay ninyong tanan, and seeing you all happy makes me happy also. Let us all be happy. Thank you again.